Hello, my vegan beauties. We are going to share some tips and tricks on our vegan formula. The first thing that I want to make very clear is yes, it is 6 capsules. That's 3 capsules in the morning and 3 capsules in the evening. We're going to talk about your afternoon or PM dose. So why 6 capsules? Because it's everything you need. This is your multivitamin, your antioxidant, your immune, your hormone support blend, and not one but 2 hair, skin, nails proprietary blends. So this is all you need. Why did I do this? Because I had bottles and bottles and bottles like this on my countertop, and I said, this is crazy. Women and men aren't going to take the time to open all those bottles. So this is why it is 6 capsules. Very important to be consistent as well. Now, when you are taking these fabulous supplements, it's really good when taking any supplement to have something in your tummy. Nuts, fruit, whatever is at hand and is within your dietary restrictions. Any supplement can upset a tummy. Now, some people it doesn't bother, but I do like to have a little bit of something in my tummy. Never is a problem. Also, next, please, 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 it's so important to take a full glass of water to make sure that you get the capsules down into the stomach where they can be dissolved and absorbed. Now, some people say, oh, I don't like swallowing capsules. No problem. You can open the capsules, pour out the amazing ingredients into, a dish, a plate, put them in your smoothie, put them in whatever you like. Don't put them in melted chocolate. I did that one time. It was awful. So you can also do it that way. But if you don't like taking capsules, this isn't really the formula for you unless you're going to put it into your smoothie or whatnot. We have a lot of people who do that. They put it in their juice, and it works for them. Also, this is a B vitamin rich formula, which can sometimes keep people awake. B vitamins can cause you to stay awake and be more alert. That's not a problem for me. I can take them at night. My bonus daughters can take them at night, but some people can't. So we just want to, advise you and give you these tips and tricks. Really, really important though, is that you feel good about you. What's your dream for you? For how you feel in your heart and how you look in your body, and they go together. It's not all about looking good for other people. It's about looking good so you feel good about you, so you don't limit yourself. So yes, you've got to take care of this body so that you can go out and do the important things, like live your purpose, love the people around you, love you. So we're ULU, and we believe in you, and we're here for you.